어째 봤어? मंडे मर के यार 그루마 어디 됐자요? 아, 이게 뭐야 아, 뭐야 이거
The landslide incident was recorded by residents in the Philippines. In the circulating video footage, a cliff by the road suddenly collapses, causing panic among the residents.
Okay guys, ako kay bar down guys. Tara guys. Hi mga guys. Ako kay bar down guys. Muna siya guys. Thank you.
A terrible landslide had occurred in the territory of Malaysia. In the video footage circulating, several cars are seen being swept away by the sudden landslide. A terrible landslide had occurred in the territory of India. In the video recording, a bridge collapsed due to being hit by large boulders that fell from the mountain.
कमरे जो भी आए टूट गया अच्छे फंस मंडे मर के यार
Some time ago, a terrible landslide occurred in Indonesia. In the video recording, residents panicked when they saw a motorist being swept away by a landslide. A terrible landslide had occurred in the region of Greece. In the video recording, a cliff suddenly collapses and almost falls on visitors on the beach. A terrible landslide had occurred in the territory of India. In the circulating video footage, large boulders suddenly avalanche and almost fall on the drivers. A Japanese citizen had recorded the terrible seconds of the landslide. In the video footage, several houses appear to have collapsed as a result of being swept away by the landslide.
그루마 어디 됐자요? 아, 이게